Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. In the world of DIY, there are many ideas to explore. From home renovation to cooking and so much more. Improving your space, both inside and out. Crafting and gardening, there's no need to doubt. From auto repair to sustainability, they are on trial. Recycling old ideas. One of them is worth your while. There's electronics to gadgets to self-care. Education, oh my, so much to share. With DIY, you can learn something new. Challenge yourself. Come on, see what you can do. Take on a project, let your creativity fly. Embrace the spirit of DIY. Give it a try. DIY stands for do-it-yourself and refers to the practice of individuals completing tasks or projects on their own, without hiring professional help. This can include home repairs, crafting, cooking, and various other activities. Here are 10 DIY communities. 1. Home improvement and renovation. Is the process of making changes or modifications to a home's interior or exterior to improve its functionality, appearance, or value. This can include tasks such as painting, flooring, installing new fixtures, or adding additional rooms to the house. 2. Crafting and DIY projects. Is the creation of handmade or customized items using various materials and tools, often with the aim of saving money or adding a personal touch. DIY projects can range from simple home decor items to more complex projects such as building furniture or remodeling a room. 3. Gardening and landscaping. Is the cultivation and care of plants, flowers, and vegetables. It can be done inside your living space or outdoors, landscaping. This can include buying seeds or seedling. Planting and pruning using various techniques, according to your conditions. It's creating your garden apartment or landscaping your backyard. 4. Auto repair and maintenance. This is the upkeep and repair of vehicles, including routine maintenance such as oil changes and tire rotations, as well as more complex repairs such as engine or transmission work. 5. Cooking and baking. The process for the preparation of meals and desserts, using a variety of ingredients and cooking techniques. This can range from simple recipes to more complex dishes, and can include baking, grilling, or using other cooking methods. 6. Fashion and clothing alteration. This refers to the modification of clothing and accessories to fit individual preferences and styles, such as by altering hemlines, adding embellishments, or customizing patterns. 7. Recycling and repurposing old items. Recycling and repurposing old items refer to the process of taking old, worn out, or unused items and transforming them into something new and useful. This can include creative DIY projects such as turning old furniture into a unique piece or repurposing glass jars into stylish storage containers. 8. Electronics and gadget repair. Involves fixing and restoring broken or malfunctioning electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets. This can involve replacing parts, troubleshooting software issues, and repairing hardware damage to extend the lifespan of the device. 9. Beauty and personal care products. Refer to a wide range of items used for personal hygiene and grooming, including skincare, makeup, hair care, and fragrances. Making your own personal care products or purchasing sustainable and eco-friendly options. Both are examples of sustainable beauty practices. 10. Home organization and storage solutions. Home organization and storage solutions involve finding ways to reduce clutter and maximize the use of space in your home. This can include creating storage solutions that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, such as using baskets or shelves to organize items or repurposing furniture for additional storage. Whether it's gardening or home improvement, cooking or electronics repair, DIY culture offers endless possibilities for you to indulge in your creativity and skills. With determination, patience, and a willingness to learn, you can develop the knowledge you need to complete the task your project requires you to do. The satisfaction of completing a project with your own hands can be incredibly rewarding, and the knowledge gained from the process can lead to new opportunities and pursuits. Think about including the do-it-yourself mindset to your lifestyle. It may stimulate you to explore beyond your comfort zones and boundaries by providing an outlet for you to create the project you have in mind. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and we look forward to your comments. We trust you will come back soon.